up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I've been busy this weekend. I actually took my car out for its first drive, or go-kart, what they call it. I'm gonna upload those videos pretty soon, and everybody will check that out. Had a couple mishaps, stalling out. I haven't drove a stick shift in probably over 10 years, so gotta forgive me. But here is how the Cobra looks at the moment. Hopefully next week I can start putting the body on, and then possibly take it to the motor vehicle department and get a level 3 inspection. I installed the speakers today. Got to clean up the stuff in here. This is going to be my stereo, but I haven't mounted it or anything like that. I'm running wires still. But yeah, it's coming along. It's a little messy in here though. It's always messy in my garage. But hey, and until the car is finished, it's gonna be looking like this. I know where everything is at though.
That means you can enjoy all your favorite artists ad-free. Sound good? Then all you need to do is hit the band sock. Click now to take part in our short survey. And you could win a month of gloriously uninterrupted music with Spotify Premium.
Look at that sparkle. Ooh-wee. Sparkle.